Greetings everyone. Welcome to DBK Newsroom. This is Yakin from grade 12 with my co-news reader Anu from the same grade is here with news and updates of August 2025.
The winners of the Haryana Gaurav Puraskar have awarded. PTM for PT1 is conducted on 3rd August. Patriotism Week is celebrated from 5th August to 15th August. On 7th of this month, under CC Hindi writing competition is conducted. A heartfelt special assembly is organized to commemorate Quit India movement. On 9th day of this month, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated with great enthusiasm. A grand inauguration of CBSE Northern Second Hockey Tournament has conducted magnificently. Celebration of 17th Independence Day filled the air with fragrance of patriotism. Shri Krishna Janmashtami celebrated with great pomp and show. CBSE Northern Second Hockey Tournament concluded with breathtaking finale. Origami art activity Creativity in Little Hands is organized for students of nursery to 2nd grade. Now the news in details. On first day of this month, the winners of Haryana Gaurav Puraskar are awarded certificates and trophy. This award celebrates dedication, talent and spirit of Haryana. By participating in such competitions, the students are enhancing and strengthening their knowledge of Haryana. On 3rd of day August, PT1 Parents-Teacher Meets has organized successfully. During this, teachers and parents discussed on the points of improvement and progress of the students in a graceful and productive manner. The school celebrated Patriotism Week from 5th to 15th August with great enthusiasm and national pride. Throughout the week, students displayed their love for motherland through soul-stirring poems. Their powerful recitations reminded everyone of the struggles of our freedom fighters and inspired all uphold the value of unity. Under the CC activity, the school organized a Hindi writing competition that witnessed enthusiastic participation from students with pen, paper, and they expressed their thoughts and patriotic feeling in national language. The event not only polished their writing skills but also instills love and respect for India. August 9, our assembly has organized to commemorate the Quit India movement. Students paid heartfelt tribute to the freedom fighters through speeches, patriotic songs, and skits dispelling the spirit of the 19th October. The assembly reminded everyone of the sacrifice made for India's independence and inspired students to uphold the values of unity and patriotism. Raksha Bandhan has celebrated with great enthusiasm as students participated in Rakhi making and coloring activities. The children displayed their creativity by designing beautiful Rakhis and colorful artworks. The celebration highlights the spirit of love, care, and
Grand inauguration of CBSE Northern Second Hockey Tournament. On 12th of August, the CBSE Northern Second Hockey Tournament has inaugurated with great grandeur and enthusiasm. Mr. Karan Pratap as the chief guest graced the ceremony while Mr. Divanpal Krishan Chairman DBK Public School attended as the special guest. Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Director, Edu Expert Consultancy Private Limited, Chandigarh, also marked his presence. The event has concluded with a heartfelt vote of thanks delivered by Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Director, DBK Public School. The inaugural ceremony set a vibrant tone for the tournament, inspiring players with energy and sportsmanship. Prabhat Feri marks Independence Day with patriotic zeal. August 15. On the occasion of Independence Day, students of DBK Public School participated in a vibrant Prabhat Feri early in the morning. The rally began with the chanting of patriotic slogans like Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Vande Mataram, filling the air with national pride. Children, dressed in tricolor attire and carrying the national flag, marched through streets and singing patriotic songs and spreading the message of unity and freedom. Teachers and local residents also joined the procession, adding to the spirit of celebration. The Prabhat Feri not only remembered the sacrifices of the freedom fighters but also instilled a sense of responsibility among the youth to serve the nation. The program concluded with the singing of the national anthem. 79th Independence Day celebration at DBK institutions, August 15. The 17th Independence Day has celebrated with great pride and patriotism at DBK institutions. Ms. Rita Walia, Principal DBK PS, Ms. Priya Kukreja, Principal DBK IS, and Ms. Ritu Sharma, Headmistress DBK PS, hosted the national flag. A grand parade by NCC cadets added glory to the occasion. Students presented inspiring speeches and melodious patriotic songs, while NCC cadets also performed a stirring patriotic song. Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Director DBK PS, graced the event as chief guest and motivated everyone with his address on unity and nation building. Janmashtami celebrated with joy at DBK PS. DBK PS celebrated Shri Krishna Janmashtami with great devotion and enthusiasm. Students dressed as Lord Krishna and Radha, presenting soulful songs, dances, and skits. depicting episodes from Krishna's life. The celebration filled the atmosphere with joy, devotion, and festive spirit, spreading the message of love and righteousness. Grand closing ceremony of CBSE North Zone 2nd Hockey Tournament. The CBSE North Zone 2nd Hockey Tournament concluded with a grand closing ceremony filled with pride and cheer. Shri Karan Pratap graced the event as chief guest, while Mr. Divanbal Krishan was the guest of honor and Mr. Rajesh Kumar, director, Edu Expert Consultancy Private Limited, attended as special guest. Mr. Rajesh Sharma, director, GBKPS, extended a heartfelt vote of thanks. The occasion was further graced by the benign presence of Ms. Rita Walia, Principal, GBKPS, Ms. Priya Kukureja, Principal, GBKIS, Ms. Ritu Sharma, Head Mistresses, GBKPS, and Mr. Amandeep Singh, Head Admin. The tournament concluded with exciting results. Girls category, the winner are Under 14 Arya Girls Senior Secondary School Panipat, Under 17 Little Angels Public School Sonipat, Under 19 Little Angels Public School Sonipat. Boys category, the are Under 14 Guru Brahman School Panipat, Under 17 SJG Khalsa Academy, Under 19 Pathseekers Baba Bakala Amritsar. The grand ceremony ended on a patriotic note with the singing of the national anthem, filling the atmosphere with pride and unity. Origami art activity at GBKPS. An exciting origami art activity, Creativity in Little Hands, was organized for students of nursery to grade 12. Children enthusiastically folded colorful papers into the beautiful shapes like animals, flowers, and birds. The activity not only boosted their creativity but also enhanced their motor skills and imagination. The day was filled with joy as the little ones proudly displayed their artistic creations. This is all for the day. Thanks for watching GBK Newsroom. We will come back and more exciting news and updates very soon. Thank you.